So here's the situation. I got a peach tree. It's beautiful. It's big. It's also way out of control. And it's got infestation of the peaches, both bugs and brown rot. So we're going to solve all those problems here shortly. But the first thing we're going to do is really hack at it and try to get it something a little more easy to handle, because right now hundreds of pounds of peaches get on there. The branches lay down, the squirrels attack, the brown rot attacks, everything attacks. I'm going to try to make this thing manageable and get some quality peaches this year. So here we go. The last thing you need to do is go pick up all the little branches that you left behind, any pits that the squirrels left behind, and what they call mummified fruit. This is that bad stuff that came off the ground. You don't want to leave anything possible for this infestation to come back. You can see that I pretty much cut the tree almost half down, and I'd be interested in seeing in the comments below whether or not this was excessive. But the whole idea is to get this tree healthy, because the fruit is infested, the branches and the trunk are infested, then it's really not going to do us any good. The next step is spraying, but I can't do it because the tree is budding and I don't want to hurt the bees because they're pollinating now. So we're going to have to wait till the blossoms fall off, and then we'll have to come back and hit it with some preventative sprays. On the next episode of this peach tree resurrection, we'll talk about different chemicals you need to help your tree out. I've tried all the organic stuff and it's just not working. If you have some organic stuff that works, please post in the comments below and I'll try it out. This one here, let me see if I can say the name right. Estephanephorate. That's for the trunk and the major branches. This is Captan, I can say that. And this is Malathion. And this is for the fruit, for the brown rot and the bugs. So stay tuned for that next episode, or if it's already posted, I'll link it up here and down below.